조졌다. 잘못 탔어요. 오 마이 갓. What should we do? 바로 돌아올 수 있을까?
I don't know. It's the wrong one because it's supposed to leave at 10 in 20 minutes. I thought it was just here early.
망했다.
Oh, fuck.
어떡해.
We're going to Berlin.
Eine Station zurück.
Sorry, what? I don't speak German.
Eine Station zurück.
Do you understand?
I don't know.
Can you help me understand?
Was soll ich ihm sagen? Was soll ich ihm?
Das ist falsch.
Ja, ja.
제발 건너서.
Happened to me in Hungary too. I get so confused.
So the next station you leave the train is Wien Grillgasse, and the next train to the
But I already booked my ticket.
yeah. But we have to see that you can drive back to the train station in Vienna.
So Uber back in time?
That would be an option, or I can.
We're both 110, 1310.
Okay, yeah, that's a bit tricky. The train would leave in Wien Grillgasse at 13:04, and
I can Uber though, I don't care.
then if this
Where-
is an option, then
So,
this would,
where am I going to? Do you want to split it, by the way?
I'm
Do you
sorry.
want to do the same Uber?
Yeah.
Okay, where's?
Wien Grillgasse.
Prague.
I'm
Czech,
going to Berlin.
Czech Prague. Berlin, Prague. I want to go back to HBF.
Du must go out.
Deze moest aussteigen.
Go what? Go on now?
Sonst fahrt het nog weiter.
Oh my god.
You must wait for the next train.
Oh really? He said just
Wait. You go out now, here?
Yes, and the next, the Hauptbahnhof.
Half an off. Next half an off.
Where do we go from here?
And
And when does it come?
This is the next Hauptbahnhof. 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We're gonna wait here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe. Because I don't think we can get an Uber back
Yeah.
to the train.
To the train?
The train to go to.
Go to HBF?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one is it? The next one that comes?
I think we gonna be booking new train. Go to Berlin.
But I already spent so much money. I spent like.
The HBF.
I bought tickets to go to Berlin.
Just like in 15 minutes. You guys wanna go to Berlin, yeah?
Yeah, I bought tickets to go to Berlin and.
Yeah. Just go there and ask for someone, like especially the guys with the orange vests.
Yeah.
They should know.
So, the train comes to HBF and.
Yeah. And
And-
from there you can go to Berlin.
But my train leaves at 1:13:10. So I was just like.
Gonna be that's not gonna be.
Oh my.
Then go there and ask the guys with the orange jackets.
좋대구만. 일단 우버를 불러보고 시간대를 보고 지금 딱 10분 남았는데요. 될지 모르겠습니다.
Shoot. Okay, so what's it called again? GM?
HBF Wien. Oh yeah, Vienna Central T. Yeah.
9 minutes away.
9 minutes. Fuck.
I don't think it's worth it. I don't know.
배드버거다. 야, 배드버거가 여기 왜 있냐? 미쳤네. 와, 꺼져. 야, 개 충격인데? 배드버거가 있다고?
Here, I bought it anyways. And we split it?
Yep.
Okay. If you hurry, I will
I will.
tip you. Okay.
사실 우버보다 반대쪽에서 하나 와주면은 엄청 안전하거든요. 그냥 플랫폼에서 뛰어가면 되니까 바로.
Got that train? The other train?
I don't know. 저 친구도 그렇고 저도 그렇고 마음이 좀 급했어. 실수를 하지 않겠다는 그 급한 마음 때문에 실수를 했어. 기다렸어도 되는 거였거든. Uber comes here?
Yeah.
오긴 오는데.
Oh, fuck.
그래서 간당간당하다. How much?
It was, let me see, 11 euro.
오케이. 반갈이 해야죠. 어떡하겠어.
Hopefully we make it in time.
Yeah.
I'm trying to like hail someone down, maybe it'd be faster. To get someone.
Uber?
No, I don't think so, but maybe they,
I'm very confused.
Me too, I thought that was the one, and then I was like, wait, I should just check real quick. Because you can't, like, I don't understand.
If you didn't check?
You would be wrong one, yeah.
그러니까 이 친구가 등골이 서늘하다고 한번 물어보겠다고 하는 거예요. 안절부절 못
Whoa, what
하더라고요.
the fuck is this? He's completing a trip nearby? Please.
아주 재밌게 꼬여주는구만.
7
7분?
It's not gonna be enough. And there's the train going back to the HBS.
한숨 쉬고 있을 때 그냥 뛰어가는 거야. 잡아보자. 씨. 가능성 있어. 제발. 저거만 타면은 어떻게든 될 것 같거든. Please wait, please wait. 오케이.
HBS? Positive affirmation. We're gonna make it. Vlogger?
Yeah, vlog.
That's cool.
Say hi to my YouTube.
Hello.
What happened?
So we got on the wrong train. We met each other beforehand and we accidentally got on the wrong train. We got dropped off here in a random location. From there we tried to get an Uber, but then we just ran down instead and we got on this train. So we're gonna see if we can get back to the train station and board a different train to Prague and Berlin before time's up.
Professional YouTuber. 잘하는데. 왜 이렇게 잘해? We need to run, bro.
Oh yeah.
와, 씨, 강철 부대 찍고 있네 지금.
It's right there. Okay, I see it. It's right there.
오케이. 너무 웃기다. 너무 웃겨. 너무 웃겨.
Jump off right here.
We gonna do. Downstairs.
It's like football practice.
Come on. How do you get on? 탔다 씨.
Berlin. Berlin?
Prague?
Oh, we missed
Prague, yeah.
it. We made it.
Good job today.
Oh, I can't believe we did that. So then we were trying to get an Uber, we're just 20 minutes away. So then we happened to just jump on another train that took us right back here. And then we ran here with like a minute to spare. We didn't think we were gonna make it.
We were afraid we might be on the road.
역대급이었다.
Oh my gosh. Okay. gonna say you're not done with the English accent, but
It's not Georgian.
쟤 좀 선수인데? What is your name?
Aleko.
Alako.
Aleko. Yeah.
Alako. I'm SPAX.
Specs.
Alako. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
It will be nice video.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to send me this later.
열차가 역방향이라 좀 토할 것 같은데요. 근데 다 필요 없이 무사히 갈 수 있음에 감사하고 건강한 두 다리가 있어서 감사하고.
Yeah, you were supposed to meet it.
So it was pretty exhilarating to say the least.
Half three when I called you up, said I need you now, 'cause I'm losing patience. By four, you were knocking on it. I said love is a two-way road.
거의 다 오긴 했는데 4시간 40분짜리라서 조금 지루하긴 하다.
And it was easy.
짜는 사진 찍는 걸 좋아하나 봐.
Still we couldn't see straight till the morning came along. Don't need the weekend, we don't wait until the evening. We don't need to find a reason to turn it up and sing along. 'Cause that's what
Bye bye. Very nice experience to me.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm glad we got to experience that together. In a way, it made the trip more interesting.
Yeah. Have a nice trip.
You too.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
See you.